Hi, my name is Jeremy Pitts. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of LibreStream. We have hundreds of customers across 9 verticals and energy, aviation, heavy equipment manufacturing really kind of taking the lead on those verticals. Of the top 10 companies in aviation worldwide, LibreStream has production deployments in 85% of those. So you can see there's really a tremendous amount of experience that comes with the technology. What we're really seeing is a big push for seamless integrations into the large enterprise systems. So this is, use the system I'm already comfortable with. I want to use this AR, augmented reality platform to be able to handle all of my information and put it back into that system so you can access it in one place. Really big thrust and things that we're seeing in the industry. We've seen 100% year-over-year growth on our platform. With RealWear, we've really seen customers take off, bring RealWear into their environment and grow that. So we're really excited about what we've seen with RealWear, the growth we've seen with RealWear. Our customers are excited about the product. The other thing is we've continued to invest in the relationship. So we've put a tremendous amount of technical resources into the relationship. We've got a phenomenal product roadmap we're really excited about that's really going to make the platform more ubiquitous, make it real easy to bring RealWear into your environment and scale that in your environment. We're excited to share that with you.